Hello guys, I want to show you gearbox. This is a very heavy Chinese gearbox. Look, very heavy Chinese truck gearbox and dismantling ongoing. थोड़ा चीन मोदी चीन इसको लगा यहाँ सीधा करो ना भाई. हाँ ये सीधा रखो बिल्कुल. दवाई छूट छूट बिना दवाई दवाई बिना 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 सीओ दवाई. This gear high low gear not working. High low gear this is not working. This is a high low gear. This is inside some gear broken inside something. And we are going to dismantle. After that we will repair and again fix. Yes, this is all good. This is no problem. There is problem. Dismantle. And guys, when I dismantle, this is high low. All gear shifting, gear shift, but not moving. Not left, not right. Drive shaft, not left side driving, not right side driving. Both are not working because of this gearbox is correct inside. This high-low system not working. When problem is something like that coming to you guys, only for this not dismantling, only for this dismantling. When your gear shifting and truck is not moving, not forward, not reverse, that moment guys, you can only for remove this one part, not this one. This gearbox, main gearbox not need to dismantle, only for dismantle this high-low gear part. Gear part. This inside sun gear. Inside, I look now I dismantle inside. Inside may be broken inside. Inside broken inside. After this is a hair system also, high-low system look. I also inspection inside. Maybe inside also this is broken. Maybe now we are going to dismantle complete, and after that we will show you what happened when I will found where is the problem, what is the problem, and discuss next videos guys. Another video I will discuss about what happened this gearbox and what found with trouble and what something is broken inside the spare part, and next video I will explain you guys. Okay guys, have a nice day. God bless you, all of you guys. Be happy, be positive guys, and God bless you, all of you guys. And thanks for watching my video. Thanks for million watching my video, and be positive guys, always be positive, and God bless you, all of you guys. Next video I will update, I will find out problem, and after that I will show you what I know guys. I always share with you, and every mechanical, maybe electrical side, mechanical side, hydraulic side, everything I will show you. What I know I will always share with you guys. Okay guys, bye, have a nice day guys. God bless you, all of you.